Alright folks, welcome to Kieno Training Systems. I'm Kieno Thomas, and today we're going to be handling a question that we received dealing with geometry. It's talking about a isosceles triangle, and an isosceles triangle is a triangle where two sides, let me try to get this as best I can, has two equal sides. So this is not drawn to scale, but I'm just trying to give you an idea. Now, the question is giving us some information. Alright, first we have our height, and then we have our base. This is pretty much our height, and this is our base. So the question that they're giving us is the two congruent sides is 8 less than twice the base. 8 less triggers -8, 8 less than twice the base, 2b. So this is 2b minus 8, and this is 2b minus 8. And this is b, the base, that's the height. And they say that the perimeter is equal to 74. Alright, so if we add this, this, and this, it should equal 74. Let's take a look, see. If we take b plus 2b minus 8 plus 2b minus 8. We're going to combine like terms. We're going to get 5b minus 16. It equals the perimeter, which is 74. So at that point, what we're going to do is add 16 to both sides. So 5b is equal to 74, 0, carry 1, 8, 90. And then we'll divide both sides by 5. That goes away, and 5 goes into 9 one time. 18. So the base is equal 18. We found that out. So we can put a 1, 8 here. And since we have the base now, basically we can find out what's going on with the two sides here. Again, the question stated that the congruent sides were 2b minus 8. So 2b is 18 minus 8 equals what? 2 times 18 is 36 minus 8. 8 is bigger than 6. 28. So we have 28 here and 28 here for the lengths of the sides. So we have all sides here. Now, what we got to do is go back and we have to test. We have to add up all three sides to make sure that it equals the perimeter, which is 74. So 28 plus 28 plus 18. 3/8 is 24. Carry 2, 2, 6, 74. Voila. So we just found all three sides. Now we're not done yet because the question asked us, what is the height? Alright, so we can get rid of that. We know that's true. Alright, so I'll just put 28 here. Declutter a little bit. 28 here. And 18 for the base. So now we need to find height. If this distance here is 18, then that tells us that this is 9 and this is 9, because both of these sides are equal and it's basically splitting the base in half. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. So now we're going to use something called Pythagorean's theorem. Okay, we don't know what the height is yet, but the theorem states that a squared, which is one side, plus b squared, which is the second side, is equal to c squared, which is the hypotenuse. So now we can plug in 9 squared here. We don't know what this guy is, but we do know what that guy is, 28 squared. So the math is going to get a little ill. 9 times 9 is 81, plus b squared is equal to 28 squared. So we get 28, 28, 64, 16, 64. 16, 22, 0, 16, carry 1, 784. That's 28 squared, 784. But now what we need to do is we need to isolate b at this point. And I'll dance over on this side a little bit. So I'll continue. We have to subtract 81 from both sides. So 81 minus 81 is b squared equals 784 minus 81, which will give us b squared is equal to 703. So if you take your calculator, you enter in 703, and then you put in the square root symbol. Let me do that. Okay, 703 square root symbol. We get 26.51. So B is equal to 26.51 inches. 26.51. And that is our answer. That is the height of that triangle. 26.51 inches. And we dealt with inches. It didn't really tell us, but when we had when they stated that the congruent sides of the isosceles triangle was 2 times the base minus 8 inches. So I just ran with inches, which was safe to do. 2651 is our answer using the Pythagorean theorem. So I thank you guys for watching. That was one of the harder ones. Not so much hard, but it just involved a little bit of work and keeping things in check. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.